In this video, I'll show you how to find the App Store on LG TV. Step 1. Open the home screen. Turn on your LG TV. Press the home button on your TV remote. Step 2. Find the LG Content Store. On the home screen, look for the LG Content Store icon in the app ribbon at the bottom of the screen. The icon typically looks like a shopping bag. Step 3. Access and explore. Select the LG Content Store icon using the remote. Browse or search for apps, games, and content available for your TV. And that's how you use the App Store on your LG TV. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments down below, and I'll be happy to help you. Have a nice day. Bye.